Welcome to the Conductor simulation. In this simulation, your task is to determine which materials do and those that do not conduct electricity. Select and drag the various materials to the work area. For instance, select a wire and move it to the right. You can lengthen the wire by selecting and dragging one end or change the direction of the wire. Selecting the middle of the wire highlights the wire, and the trash can icon on the bottom of the screen can be selected to remove the wire from the work area. You'll need to select and move to the work area the following objects and arrange them as shown. The second wire added in this circuit is where you'll test the conductivity of the various materials. You can see here that the second wire is a conductor because the wire completes the circuit and the light bulb lights up. Select the middle of the second wire and then select the trash can to remove this wire from the circuit. Choose the down arrow 2 times in the menu bar on the left side of the screen. Various items appear to test for their electrical properties. These items include a dollar bill, a paper clip, a coin, and an eraser. Select and drag the dollar bill to the work area and connect it where the second wire was placed in the circuit. After completing the test, select the middle of the dollar bill and then select the trash can to remove this from the circuit. Test each one of the other items in the menu one at a time. After completing these tests, select the down arrow in the menu bar on the left side of the screen one time to see more objects. Select and drag the pencil to the work area to test its ability to conduct electricity.